units, get that perp off the road!
All units, interceptor is here.
Team, I can't see your target. Where'd they go?
I'm not sure how much we have left in us.
Suspect last seen entering North Oaks. Roadblock waiting up ahead should take this perp out.
I think we're gonna have to bail soon.
We just got our ass handed to us.
We got the perp back in the site.
We're on road, team! This is getting interesting.
All units, we have a visual on the perp entering Underwood Gardens.
We're off to refuel. Back ASAP.
Undercover is out. Oh, I'm on you, fool. Not sure how much longer we can follow.
Chopper on the scene, control.
Going for a side rear takedown. All right, everybody. Interceptor is here.
Roadblock up ahead should stop the suspect.
Undercover, joining in on chasing the perp, dispatch.
We found the perp again. In pursuit.
This chase is taking the scenic route, team.
We're on the way out here.
Crash test dummy alert. This moron can't drive.
Harry dropping out of the pursuit. Need to refuel.
Time for a piece of the action. Undercover ready to assist. We're out! Damn it! We're out!
All units, we have a visual on the perp entering University Central.
What a shitty driver. They really suck.
Roadblock up ahead should stop this perp.
Oh, I am not happy about this.
Re-engaging the suspect.
Chopper on the scene, dispatch.
I see him. The pursuit is back on.
Heli is in the air and on the scene, control.
Whoa, this pursuit is getting interesting.
All units, perp last seen entering Underwood Gardens.
That visual I had on the perp from up here is gone, dispatch.
Keep turning up the heat on the suspect.
Hawk is trying to take us out.
Come on, let's work to get him.
Won't be long until you're behind bars, shithead. Do not screw this arrest up.
We've got very little fight left in us, dispatch. Dispatch, this is Interceptor. We're going after the perp, too.
All units be advised, perp has entered Douglas Park. Spike strip up ahead should take this perp out. Be advised, suspect entering University Central.
We're hit! Repeat, we've been hit! This isn't good enough. We have to stop them.
Heavy ready to join in on the fun, Control.
Alley dropping out of the pursuit. Need to refuel.
Dispatch, undercover here. Let's help the team take this one down. Control, 2440 is playing dirty out here.
Roadblock up ahead should stop them.
Going for the handbrake takedown, Dispatch. I think we may need to bow out soon. Undercover's vehicle has been massively compromised. Heavy is here to have some fun, y'all.
We've regained visual on the target.
Interceptor joining in on the chase.
Be advised, suspect entering Apollonia District.
I don't think we got much juice left in us. Come on, stay on this funk. Suspect hit traffic.
Dispatch, we're getting our ass kicked here. Heavy joining in on the fun.
Suspect last seen entering North Oaks.
You now have an eye in the sky, Dispatch. We've got the perp back in the safe.
Roadblock up ahead should stop this perp.
Oh, we got you, shithead. Oh, I am not happy about this.
We just lost.
Re-engaging the pursuit.
Chopper on the scene, Control.
All units, we have a visual on the perp entering Douglas Park.
Sweep the district. Find this asshole. Search the area and find this punk. I'm gonna have to terminate this pursuit, Dispatch. Suspect got away.